Hello, welcome to BCH Camping. Today we're looking at the brand new 2026 Vango Sherwood Air 400 XL. It's a 4-person tent, slightly bigger than normal 4-person tent, and I'll show you that in a second. So firstly, the fabric, Sentinel XL 150 denier. It's a really nice, tough, thick fabric and gives you a massive hydrostatic head of 5,000 millimeters. So you've got no worries whatsoever about it being waterproof. And will stand up to the elements. Obviously it's an air tent, so it's got air beams all the way along, dead easy to put up. You're talking about 15 minutes. So with the pump that comes with it, you simply plug into the side on each beam, pump, 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 pump. Each beam takes about 1.5 minutes and the whole thing will just rise up. So we'll just have a look inside the tent. Got a really nice big canopy on the front here, which, as you can see, got a really big chair in there. It's just a nice place that you can sit, watch the world go by. The door does roll up to the top here and roll all the way down to seal, but you can also separate it in half, so you can have half the door come down and open, or the whole thing all the way up. It's a nice area too, that if you've got muddy boots or wet towels or whatever, great area to sort of dry them out in the front here. If you come into the main part of the tent, this is what really makes it the XL, because you have got a lot of space in here for a 4-person tent. Easily big enough for tables and chairs, easily big enough for the family to be in and play in on wet days. And it is very light in here. I know we're inside a building, but there are some big diamond clear windows. You've got 2 on the front there. You've actually got 4 on the inside with skylights as well, which really helps. You've got the Sky Track system as well, front and back, which means that you can hang accessories like lights, etc. from here. And then, like all Vango tents of this quality, you get your tension system. Basically, if it starts going to blow around in the middle of the night, you take your tension system, band, pop it in, tighten it up, and it just adds extra stability. When you're not using them, tuck them away into a little pocket. At the back of the tent, you've got your 4-berth inners, but to say it's XL, so it'll take, they're actually called king-size bedrooms, and they're midnight bedrooms as well, which means they're darkened. So when the sun gets up in the morning, hopefully it won't wake you up because it cancels out all of the light, so you can have a bit of a lie-in and enjoy your holiday. It's a really good tent. So a lot of 4-person tents aren't big enough really for, you know, wet days or just for that added space when you're away for a week or so. The 400 XL certainly is. So for more information, check out our website, bchcamping.co.uk, or come and see us at our Trowbridge store, where we've got the largest tent and awning displays in the southwest. Thanks for watching.